In this tutorial, let's see how to create shift and assign roster using HR Blue Sky. Navigate to the user icon. Click on Company Setup. Under Attendance Setup, in Shift, you can create different shifts. To create shift, click on Add Shift. Enter the shift name. Enter the shift code. This code will be listed in the roster. In case if your shift is from one day to next day, for example 11 pm to 6 am, you can enable the option and choose a time, or else you can disable it and enter the start time. Enter the end time. You can also go with this option to choose a time. Next, we can set the tolerance time for the shift. So only beyond this time the user will be considered as late in. Similarly, you can set for early out. To set the break time, enable the option and enter the break start time. Similarly, enter the break end time. If you have an overtime calculation, enable the option overtime, and here you can set the minimum overtime. Next, enter the OT in terms of percentage. In case if you want to provide a different OT percentage in the same shift, you can go with special OT. To set the margin, enable the option and enter the margin time. So my start time is 9:30 and I allow my user to register attendance from 8:30. So I can enter 1 hour here. So only when the user registers attendance before this time, it will be considered as an exception record. Similarly, you can enter the late out tolerance. To save it, click on Save option. So now your shift is created. To edit it, you can go with this option and make the changes. Next, we can enter the public holiday. Click on the public holiday calendar. To add a new holiday, click on Add Holiday. Enter the holiday name and choose the date. Now click on Save. So all the created holiday will be listed here. This holiday will be reflected in the roster. To set the roster, navigate to the attendance module. Click on Roster. Choose the month and year. Click on Show. You can view the assigned roster, the shifts as well as the public holiday. To allocate new roster, click on Allocate Shift. Select the employee. You can also go with the Select All option. Let me choose a specific employee now. Click on Confirm. In case if you want to clone the shift of any other employee, you can go with this option. Only the allocated employee will be listed here. On disabling it, you can assign one by one. Here you will have all the shift. In addition, you will have an work off option. To save, click on Save. Now the roster is created for this employee. To view, click on the month. Further, click on Show. To make changes, click on the Edit option. Make the required changes and click on Save. The shifts and public holidays will be listed in different colors. To export this report in Excel, click on Export option. In the Excel, you can view the shift legends and the employees for whom the roster is assigned.